In this video, we are going to be learning how to send files on Zangi. To send files to one of your contacts on Zangi Messenger, first of all, open the Zangi application on your device. Make sure to log into your account as well, and once logged in, select a contact or a group you want to send the file to. You can choose a contact from your contact list or select an ongoing conversation within the Chats tab. After choosing one of the contacts, go ahead and tap on the little plus button at the bottom left from your chat thread. In the pop-up, choose File. Now, you can browse through your device's library and choose the file you'd like to share with the contact. After selecting the file will be uploaded and you will be able to share it with the contact. You can also select other file types such as photos and videos, documents, audio files, and other medias or files. Once the file is selected, it will appear in the chat and the file will be uploaded and sent to the chosen contact. That is how you can easily send files on the Zangi Messenger. I hope the video was helpful to you. If it was, make sure to give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more Zangi tips and tricks. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.